Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer datasets from Elasticsearch to BigQuery, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by preparing your environment. Ensure you have access to both your Elasticsearch and BigQuery instances. Install the necessary tools for data transfer. You will need Elasticsearch clients and the Google Cloud SDK. Verify the connection to your Elasticsearch database. Use a command line interface to test the Elasticsearch endpoint. Next, define the dataset you want to transfer. Identify the index in Elasticsearch that contains your data. Export the dataset from Elasticsearch. You can do this by using the Elasticsearch Query API to retrieve documents. Consider using the Scroll API for large datasets. Format the exported data in a compatible format for BigQuery. Convert the data to JSON or CSV depending on your preference. Now, set up your BigQuery environment. Create a new dataset in your BigQuery project. Define the schema that matches the structure of your data. Next, upload the data to BigQuery. Use the BigQuery command line tool to load data from your local files. Specify the data format you chose earlier. Monitor the upload process for any errors. Once the data is loaded, run queries to verify its integrity. Check for missing fields or malformed rows. Finally, optimize the performance of your BigQuery dataset. Consider partitioning and clustering for large datasets. Document your process for future reference. This completes the data transfer from Elasticsearch to BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.